ton of liquid here in the bottom of it. You can see just how fast it got cold, the sweat. Now this thing was every which way from the right way up, getting out of the basement. And believe me, it's as heavy as it looks. To me, let's see if I can get that to come back. Let's see here. That's a Copeland. Alright. By the sound of it, I knew it was a Copeland, but nice to see it truly is a Copeland. That made no freaking sense, but whatever, can. Of course, you know, it's everything down here that you don't need to know stays around, but it's always whenever the model number. That's when the model number's gone, it's, you know, just so lovely. Alright, let's see here. Wow, it's already coming back cold. Even this evaporator's totally plugged. Giving short bursts. That'll push all the oil back to the compressor. Oh damn, that thing is fucking plugged. Yeah, I'll probably have to. What I'll probably do is unbolt the condenser, set it off to the side, take the lid off. As you can tell, this thing is just grossly full. Now granted, this one, the Mermaid, I don't think that's how you say it, but best I can pronounce it, will get restored, but I like cleaning them beforehand just so that when I do get to them, they're somewhat clean or not nasty. Alrighty folks, I'll put another video up whenever it's cleaned today. See ya.